Hey, sweet boy. Oh, just can't get enough of you. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
I need a picture of you two with your picture.
Oh, he's sucking his hand. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Katie's being paparazzi.
Yeah, bet.
Adam.
We're gonna need glasses in a month.
No. Adam, sweetie. Say hi to mommy. Adam. Adam, baby. Hi. No, do you like that? Hi. Look at him suck his hand. Oh. Oh. Oh, so precious. He's like, Dad, get that away from me. He got him. Hey, sweetie. How about make a fun noise? Make a fun noise for mommy. No, no.